Anna and her family. Anna was a little girl. She was 8 years old. Anna had a big family. She lived with her mom and dad. She had one brother and one sister. Her brother's name was Tom. Her sister's name was Lucy. Anna loved her family very much. Every morning Anna ate cereal for breakfast. Tom drank milk. Lucy ate toast with jam. After breakfast, Anna brushed her teeth. She put on her yellow dress. She took her school bag. Anna walked to school with Tom. Lucy went to a different school. At the school, Anna learned English. She counted numbers from 1 to 10. Anna sang a song with her friends. She went home at 3 o'clock. Now that you have listened to the story, learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. How old was Anna? Anna was 8 years old. Did Anna have a big family or a small family? Anna had a big family. Who did Anna live with? Anna lived with her mom and dad. How many brothers and sisters did Anna have? Anna had one brother and one sister. What was Anna's brother's name? Anna's brother's name was Tom. What did Anna eat for breakfast every morning? Anna ate cereal for breakfast. What color was Anna's dress? Anna's dress was yellow. What time did Anna go home? Anna went home at 3 o'clock. Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.